Hi, Brad from WPSites.net. Let's take a look at the credits for WooCommerce plugin. This is a plugin which enables you to award credits to your customers so they can spend those credits to buy new products. Once you install and activate the plugin, you'll find a new tab in the main menu here in the dashboard for settings and transactions. You can use this with subscriptions, but we're just going to use it with single products at the moment. In this case, we're awarding 1 credit for each dollar with spend to credit ratio of 10%. So for every dollar they spend, they'll get 10% as a credit with a minimum spend of $10. You can view all the transactions for each user, and it shows you the credits, how much they earned and how much they used. Current balance is $13.80. Also for the customers, on the My Account Credits page, they can view how much credit they have and also their transaction history here. So let's demo the product. We'll use up $13.80, so we'll end up paying $136.20, and they will receive credit on this $136.20 once the order is complete. So we'll add this to cart and check out. There's a $13.80 coming off. So it's a net figure of $136.20. So credits are currently 0. Once we change this to a completed order, they will receive credit on their most recent purchase. So we change the status to completed, so payment's confirmed. And then there's the current balance, $13.60. So that's how it works. It's very basic. You can use this on unlimited sites, lifetime usage, priority support. If you need the plugin modified or extended, there's a contact form here below the product page. Fire away. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.